Seriously.
At least you can rest after this. Not to go straight around.
That's what I said.
Okay. So this young lady is going to be, she's already a star. But
Oh,
there are
yes.
huge things in the future for Brianna Williams, who walked away with the Austin Seeley Award for being the most impressive athlete of the Flo Carifta Games. Yes, I agree. I concur. Congratulations to you, lady, and to the team.
Yes.
You did very well.
Very, very well.
Wow.
You see? Me no know. Jamaica, we're blessed, you know?
Yes, we are.
We are so
No joke.
blessed.
No joke.
See young Christopher Taylor, nice to have seen him also. We just, a whole heap of things. Brianna, she did a record run in the 100 meters on Saturday's opening day. Then raced her personal best in the half flap event. She's just amazing. Akira Mari picked up her second individual medal of the games in the girls under 20 event with teammate Ray Donnelly ending fourth. 4 medals for Jamaica among the boys, Roger Morris and Christopher Taylor mining gold.
Yeah.
With us, me no know. Jamaica does
I
good.
know we take it, it comes so easy. Well, it
Come with
looks
us good.
Yeah, like it
Looks
comes so
good.
easily that we take it for granted.
Yeah.
But I heard somebody say yesterday that having watched these games, the future of the sport, and we've said it before, but the future of the sport looks really, really good. So our hopes and future dreams rest on the shoulders of
Here's
those young
to
people.
the coaches.
Absolutely.
When we go boys and girls champs, you know,
Hidden stars.
we big up the
Yeah.
athletes. But let me tell you something.
Yeah.
The coaches.
Magic makers, I tell you.
Coaches.
Yeah.
Amazing. Administrators too. Because I think we compete at such a high level. From the high school level that we carried over into all other levels, which is why we're so successful.
We
Kudos.
really have something good going.
I still wait for see the Negril boy them enter the high dive competition. We want to see
that's
somebody
true.
take them on and train
Jumping
them.
off those cliffs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, there's raw
man.
talent and potential
yeah, man.
there.
Yeah, man.
All right, so let's move on to St. Catherine North, the police division that's welcoming the extension of the security measure, the SOE, or the state of public emergency, in that division. Apparently, the residents there say they're feeling much safer. They like having the members of the police forces around. The state of public emergency for that division was called on the 18th of March, initially for 2 weeks, after the division experienced 48 murders between January 1 and March 18. So the folks there are saying, yes, we like this. And then on the 27th of March, that date sound familiar to you?
Yes.
Special day for you?
Yes. Special day for the world.
What was special
A
day?
special day for the world. I mean, Dahlia was born. The world couldn't get any better than that. I'm just saying.
Jesus was born too, though.
Yeah, but him to leave after that. So.
Yeah. You need to go home. This is getting from bad to worse.
I had encountered the Zosa maybe twice over the weekend. I found them to be very professional and very courteous.
I hear a lot of people saying that.
And believe me, they didn't know who I was. Because I know one of them looked at him and said, "Good afternoon, miss." And he looked and he said, "Your face looks familiar." But then that's just when, after your face looks familiar, it was, could you put the wind? Yeah, he just move on. And it's like, may your face look familiar. Well, you could have been an old girlfriend. I don't know who you are. Wind down the window. We're searching the car.
I think if it was a whole girlfriend, he would remember you.
No. It depends on how much old girlfriend he have.
Yeah, but you leave lasting memories. Nobody
No, but
forgets
they
you.
never know. No, if I was
but the
his
27th
old
of March,
girlfriend.
Dahlia was born.
No, if I was his old girlfriend, he would remember me.
That's what I'm saying.
I just look like an old girlfriend. She didn't have the same impact.
You need to get 1 more hour of sleep before you come to work.
But no, I like it.
One
They've
more.
been very professional. And I don't think they've been disruptive. They go about it very quickly. And so it's cool. It's cool. Wind down your window before you reach them. Makes it easy as well.
All right, miss, why don't you take this next one? Saw you tweeting about her yesterday.
Yeah. Winnie Mandela. I never listen to what you over there, Grumble say. Winnie Mandela. Let me tell you something. I think this woman, She bore the brunt of a lot of things. While Nelson was imprisoned, she really kept that fight for freedom going. She kept his name relevant, kept his work relevant. Yeah, man, a strong woman, this, you know.
It was interesting seeing the headlines from the different media outlets yesterday, international media outlets. Some were not flattering.
Them can't say anything with them officers. They have never walked in this woman's shoes.
Correct.
They
She
never
actually
walked
came
in
to
this woman's
Jamaica in
shoes.
1991
Yeah.
with then husband Nelson Mandela.
Yes. Powerful visit. She met with, I remember she met with Dr. Forbes was among that group, Marcia Forbes. She met with a group of powerful Jamaican women at the Jamaica Pegasus, and it was just such an empowering meeting. And, you know, she did what she had to do to bring her country to where they are today. I think a lot of people who don't remember what it was like, who never lived that experience, can have a lot to say until you were in apartheid South Africa and had to face the things this woman had to face. Several seats for you.
Okay.
But
Not just one, huh?
several seats.
All right. You should get more rest.
Yeah. Time for a third.
Get a nap during the break. The 3rd of April, it is a Tuesday.
It's a Tuesday.
Back
Who
to
born?
work,
Who born
everybody.
today? Me no know who
Long
born
weekend,
today.
so
Landia, you born today?
Whose birthday time?
It is somebody's birthday who is born
Yes.
today. Can you just drop it for me without warning? Yeah.
Whose birthday is it, dear? Do you have any?
It's Aubrey's birthday. Today's the
Aubrey's
10th. Today's what day? The 10th? What?
The tree.
So I'm gonna reach the 10th. Today's the 3. Oh, Kanai Condison. Good morning, Kanai. Happy birthday to you. Stanford Watson. That man taught me art in school and tell me say I must stick to abstract. Trisha Forbes. It's her birthday today as well. He hates it when I say it.
Lucy Annis.
Jem Myers, the songbird. It's her birthday. And it's also Lisa Aris's birthday.
Hi, Nia. Did you see her dancing inside the stadium?
I saw
yesterday?
her. She was having a ball.
All right, guys. If you're having a birthday today, have a fantastic day.
Happy birthday.